Peerless Quikbinder Plus Ratchet Load Binder. The Quikbinder Plus Ratchet Load Binder is stronger, faster, safer, and more functional than other load binders. This premium patented ratchet load binder is unlike any of its kind. It features a high working load limit, 3-position pawl, and folding handle. The 3-position pawl offers the user a choice of ratchet extension, including a free spin setting for faster adjustment in either direction. This allows a load to be secured in half the time. The Quikbinder Plus also features a folding handle that takes up less room in the cab rack and is safer after the load is secured since the profile is smaller. Our customers use the Peerless Quikbinder Plus Ratchet Load Binder to quickly and safely secure heavy machinery for transport. Our load binders meet all DOT, CVSA, and CCMTA requirements. They're available in 3 sizes, which are compatible with chain sizes ranging from 5/16 to 5/8 inch, and in working load limits from 7,100 to 18,100 pounds. When it comes to heavy-duty load securement, you can trust the security and convenience of the Peerless Quikbinder Plus Ratchet Load Binder.